Question number 3. A. 5 2 by 5 divided by 12 3 by 5. So first of all we have to convert the mixed fractions to improper fractions. So directly we can convert it. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 2 is 27. 27 by 5 divided by 12 into 5. 12 5s are 60. 60 plus 3 is 63 by 5. Now we can do our division. This is equal to 27 by 5. Instead of division we are doing multiplication and take the reciprocal of this divisor. 5 by 63. Now here 5 and 5 become cancelled. 27 and 63 both are multiples of 9. So 9 3s are 27 and 9 7s are 63 and this is equal to 3 by 7. Now question number 3, C. 7 by 15 divided by 1 3 by 25. Here also two mixed fractions are there. We are going to divide these mixed fractions. So first of all we will convert this into improper fraction. Then we will do reciprocal multiplication. So here 7 into 15. 7 15s are 105. So answer 7 into 15 105 plus 7, that is 112 divided by 15 divided by 1 into 25 25 25 plus 3 28 divided by 25. Now it is simple, we can do reciprocal multiplication. This is equal to 112 by 15 into, we are taking the reciprocal, 25 by 28. Okay, now we can cancel the common factors. Here 15 and 25 both are cancelled by, both we can cancel by 5. 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25. Now 112 and 28 both are divisible by 7. 7 4s are 28 and 7 16s are 112. Now what is left? We can see here 16 into 5 by 3 into 4. So 4 and 16 again we can cancel. 4 by 4 1. Here it is 4 because 4 4s are 16. Now what is left? 4 into 5 by 3 and that is equal to 20 by 3. This 20 by 3 we can write it as 20 divided by 3. 6 3s are 18, 2. So this is equal to 6 2 by 3. Next question is question number E. 8 5 by 6 divided by 3 2 by 5. Answer is 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 5 52 by 6 divided by 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2 17. 17 by 5. Now this is equal to 53 by 6 into 5 by 70. Can we cancel anything from the numerator and denominator? We can see here 5 and 6, 53 and 17. Nothing is there for cancelling. So directly we can multiply. This is equal to 53 into 5 by 6 into 70. We can multiply here 53 5. 5 3s are 15, 1. 5 5s are 25 plus 1, 26. This is equal to 265 and here 6 into 17. 6 7s are 42. 1 into 6 is equal to 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 102. Now we can divide this. 265 divided by 102. 2 times it will go. So by 2 we are dividing. 2 2s are 4, 0, 2. And what is left? 1. And here it is 6. So the answer is 261 by 102. Next question is G. 8 2 by 7 divided by 5 4 by 5. Answer is 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 2, 58 by 7 divided by 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 4, 29 by 5. And this is equal to 58 by 7 into 5 by 29. Okay. Now which one we can cancel here? 5 and 7 we couldn't cancel. 29 and 58 we can cancel by 2. So that we are cancelling. 29 by 29 1. 2 29s are 58. So this is equal to 2 into 5 by 7 into 1. This is equal to 2 5s are 10. 10 by 7. This 10 by 7 is an improper fraction. So if we can convert into mixed fraction. That is 10 divided by 7. 1 7s are 7. Remainder is 3. So this is equal to 1 3 by 7. Next question is 3i. 6 5 by 8 divided by 1 5 by 16. Answer is 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 5 52. 53 divided by 8 divided by 1 into 16 16. 16 plus 5 21. 21 by 16. Now this is equal to 53 by 8 into 16 by 21. Now which all things we can cancel? 8 and 16 we can cancel. No? So 8 16 by here 8 2s are 16. 8 by 8 1. Now can we cancel 53 and 21? No. So we can directly multiply. This is equal to 53 into 2 divided by 1 into 21. And what is 53 into 2? 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10 divided by 21. Now we can divide it and we can convert into a mixed fraction. So 106 divided by 21. We can do it with 5. 5 into 1 5. 5 2s are 10. So remainder is 1. So this fraction we can write like this. This is equal to 5 1 by 21. Now we can see some word problems. Question number 4. 4 by 5 of a number is 84. Find the number. Once again, 4 by 5 of a number is 84. Find the number. Here we can see how we will find the required number here. The required number is, what we will do? We will divide 84 by 4 by 5. Then we will get the required number. Therefore, the required number is 84 divided by 4 by 5. Clear? And this is equal to 84. Instead of dividing, we can do reciprocal multiplication. That is into 5 by 4. Okay. Now 84 and 4 we can cancel by 4. 4 by 4 1. 80 by 4. 84 by 4 is 21. So this is equal to 21 into 5, and that is equal to 1 into 5 5. 5 2s are 10. Therefore answer is 105. Now we can say question number 5. 5 by 6 of a journey is 120 km. Find the total distance of the journey. So what is given here? Given 5 by 6 of total journey is equal to 120 km. So we have to find the total journey. So total journey is equal to, how we will find? 120 divided by 5 by 6. that is 120 divided by 5 by 6, and this is equal to, instead of dividing we are doing reciprocal multiplication. 120 into 6 by 5. Okay. Now 120 and 5 we can cancel. 5 divided by 5 1. 120 by 5 2 4 24, and this is equal to 24 into 6. 24 into 6. Here 6 4s are 24, 4, 2, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14. So this is equal to 144 kilometer. Therefore the total journey is 144 kilometer. Next question is question number 6. How many 3/5 are there in 18? 3/5 means 3 by 5. How many 3/5 are there in 18? So how will find the answer? The number of 3/5 in 18 is, we will divide. 18 divided by 3 by 5, and this is equal to 18 into 5 by 3. Okay, we take in the reciprocal. Then we can cancel the common factors. 3 and 18 we can cancel. 3 by 3 1, 6 3s are 18. That is 6 into 5, and that is equal to 30. So how many 3/5 are there? 30 3/5. 3/5 are there in 18.